Welcome to Besto LMS. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of uploading a video lesson for your students. From the side menu, go to the Academic section and click on Video Lessons. Now, click on Upload First Lesson or the Upload New Lesson button. Start by giving your lesson a clear title and write a short description to let students know what the lesson is about. Next, select the subject, class, and section this lesson belongs to. Enter the duration of the video, then set the lesson's status as either published or unpublished, depending on when you'd like students to access it. Now, upload the video file for your lesson and add a thumbnail image to make it more engaging and easy to recognize. Once everything is filled in, click on the Upload Lesson button and your video lesson is live. That's it. With Besto LMS, sharing video lessons is quick and simple, helping you create an engaging digital classroom for your students. Stay tuned for more tutorials.